Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Lamiya. Let me talk about my beautiful family. I come from a small but very close-knit family. There are four members in my family. My parents, my younger brother, and me. My father, Mr. Islam, he is an expert. He is a man of discipline and honesty. My mother is a housewife and the heart of our family. She manages everything with love and patience. My younger brother is studying class 2 at Madrasa. Every evening we sit together, talk about our day and enjoy dinner as a family. Even though all of are as busy, we never forget to spend time together. My parents have taught me important values like honesty, respect, and kindness. I truly feel blessed to have such a supportive and understanding family. They are my biggest strength and inspiration in life. I love my family so much.